West? South?
I think southwest.
Yeah.
But did you see the flag at the bottom of the hill? It was coming out, wave.
Hi.
It was coming out of the opposite direction, 180 degrees, so. Oh, this is good. This is good weather for this plane. Let's hope that one stays where it is.
What?
That, and look at this one building back here.
Mm-hmm. What are you taking pictures of?
I'm just taking a video.
Of what?
Of the weather.
Of the sky.
And that's the one that's hitting Newcomerstown that missed us. Filled in with a magnet. Let's check the controls. Okay. Lock off. Okay. Ready? I'm gonna take off into the sunset there. A little bouncy. Should I gain some altitude? I should with the winds the way they are. It's actually pretty gentle. Ooh. Did you hear that? Hear the thunder?
Uh-uh.
We'll hit the railroad tracks. That wasn't good. Okay, I'll see if I can bring it in and end up on its nose as usual.
Perfect.
How about that?